If you want to remove a connector in Base44, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is useful when you no longer need an integration, want to clean up your workspace, or simply want to remove access from a connector you're not using anymore. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Base44 tutorials. To begin, go to the bottom left corner of your Base44 dashboard and click the profile icon. This opens your account and workspace options. From there, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Connectors and click it. This will show you all of the connectors currently connected to your Base44 account. Next, find the connector you want to remove and click View. On the Connector Details page, click Edit. Once the Edit options open, click Delete Connector. Base44 will remove that connector from your account, and the integration will no longer be active. And that's it. You've now deleted a connector in Base44. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Base44 walkthroughs.